creditors of the defunct Bitcoin exchange Mt Gox are finally getting closer to receiving their funds after a long and complicated legal process that started in 2014. The Tokyo District Court approved a rehabilitation plan in October 2021 that will distribute a mix of cryptocurrencies and fiat money to the creditors, who lost about 850,000 BTC, worth $450 million at the time, in a hack that brought down the exchange. The plan became final and binding in November 2021 and was supported by 99% of the creditors. According to the plan, creditors will receive 71% crypto and 29% cash after an initial yen payment. The crypto assets include 141,686 BTC, 142,846 BCH, and some other forked coins. The fiat assets include 69,776,002,441 yen, about $630 million, and some other currencies. The trustee, Nobuaki Kobayashi, who was appointed to oversee the liquidation and distribution of the exchange's assets, has set up an online rehabilitation claim filing system, where creditors can register and select their preferred repayment method. Creditors have the option of a lump sum payment, bank remittance, fund transfer service provider, or going through a cryptocurrency exchange or custodian. The deadline for registration and selection was March 10, 2023. The trustee has also announced that the distribution of funds will begin on a repayment date that will be set in due course. The base repayment deadline is expected to be the same as the early lump sum repayment deadline. The trustee has stated that the repayment process will be completed by October 31, 2023. Some creditors have expressed their anticipation and excitement for receiving their funds after years of waiting. Some have also expressed their concern about the potential impact of the repayment on the crypto market, as the trustee may have to sell some of the crypto assets to cover the cash portion of the repayment. Mt Gox was once the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, handling over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions at its peak. Its collapse in 2014 was one of the biggest shocks and scandals in the history of crypto, and its aftermath has been a long and complex saga involving multiple lawsuits, investigations, and controversies. The rehabilitation plan is seen as a milestone and a relief for the creditors, who have been waiting for almost a decade to get their money back. However, the plan is not without its challenges and risks, as the trustee still has to deal with various legal and technical issues, such as verifying the claims, securing the assets, and executing the transactions. The repayment of the Mt Gox creditors will also have implications for the crypto industry, as it will inject a large amount of coins into the market, potentially affecting the prices and liquidity of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The creditors will also have to decide whether to hold or sell their coins, depending on their preferences and expectations. The Mt Gox case is a reminder of the volatility and vulnerability of the crypto space, as well as the importance of security and regulation. It also shows the resilience and innovation of the crypto community, as it has overcome the crisis and continued to grow and evolve over the years.